Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Examen Brainrot. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large rectangle. We'll start with a line across at the top. And then bring it down on each side. And let's close it off at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. We'll start by drawing the eyes with two large circles that are touching in the center. And now inside each one, let's add another large circle. And then one more circle inside again. Now inside the pupils here, let's add a circle on the top right corner. And one on the bottom left. And then in the center, we're going to draw a circle behind by drawing two curves. And let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a curve down and out like this. Then from the top, let's bring it down, meeting at a point at the end. Now on top of each eye in the center, let's draw a curve up. And then let's curve it down, meeting at the end of each eyebrow. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a large upside down curve. Then from the ends, let's curve it back up and in underneath. And a curve across to close off the mouth. Now top and side, and let's draw a border in the same way. Now inside the mouth here, let's draw two bumps at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms, starting with the right side. Let's draw two curves down next to the body. And then let's add a curve across at the top and two across the center. And one more curve to close it off at the bottom. Now underneath the arm, let's draw the hand by drawing two curves down and a curve across. Now on the left side, let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumb. And then next to it, the next finger by curving it down and up. Another finger next to it. And one more to close off the hand. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's hop over to the left side. On the left, let's draw 2 angles going out like this. And then a curve across. Now at the top, let's draw a bump in and back out for the thumb. And then for the rest of the fingers, let's draw a large oval next to it like this. And let's add 3 curves across inside. Now inside the hand here, let's draw the pen. Let's draw 2 angles up on top and continue them underneath the hand. And close off the bottom and the top with a line across. Now for the top of the pen, let's draw 2 angles up and close it off at the top. And then on the left, let's draw a line out, down, and back in. Now top to the bottom, and let's draw a V-shaped point, a curve inside at the bottom, and one more on top. And that's it for the pen. Now let's finish drawing the arm. On both sides of the hand, let's draw a curve in at the bottom. And then finish off the arm by angling it back in. And one more curve inside here underneath the thumb. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then angle it back up. And then underneath each leg, let's draw 2 lines down. And then from the inside, let's angle it out and up, extending it past the other line. Now let's add the feet underneath. Let's draw 2 lines down. And an angle to close off the bottom. And then let's add 2 angles down inside. Now from the bottom corners, let's angle it out. And connect it at the bottom. Now let's add a square shape inside by adding 2 angles. And an angle at the bottom. Now let's hop back out and let's continue drawing the shoe. Let's draw 2 lines down underneath. And an angle at the bottom. Now let's hop back in near the top and let's draw a small angle in at the bottom of the leg here. And angle it back in on top. Then let's add a long line down for the backs of the shoes, and an angle to close off the bottom. Now top and side, and let's add a border at the bottom. Let's draw an angle at the front, and then bring it up on the side. Now in the front section, let's draw an angle on top, bring it up, over, and down, and one more angle. And the same on the other side. Now let's do the same thing along the side of the shoe here. Let's angle it up. Let's add a rectangle notch up and continue it to the back. And the same thing on the right shoe. And that's it for the legs and feet. Lastly, we're going to move back up and draw the details on the body. For this part, I'm going to switch over my pen to a blue color. Let's start at the top and let's draw the word examine. And then underneath on the left, we're going to draw 4 times 3 with a line across underneath. Now I'm going to work my way around, adding some more math equations like this. Now for the next part, I'm going to switch over to a red pen. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a circle. And then let's add the letter F inside. Now let's work our way around, adding a few X's and question marks like this. And that's it for this Examen Brainrot. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!